In this mini tutorial, we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word digestion in English. Stick around till the end, where I'll tell you some of the main errors that you can avoid when pronouncing this word. Here's the script from the dictionary, and we can see here that the word is divided into 3 syllables and that we stress syllable 2. Digestion. Now let's break it down into parts. The first syllable starts with the voiced D sound, so you need to remember to vibrate your throat for that. And then we've got the double vowel I. So together that's die. So repeat after me, die. Syllable 2 starts with the voiced J sound. Then we have a short E followed by a S. Together that's Jess. And remember, this is the strongest syllable in this word. Repeat after me, Jess. Syllable 3 then begins with the Ch sound. Then we have a subtle and a nasal N. And together that sounds like chun. So repeat after me, chun. Putting all of that back together then, repeat after me, stressing syllable 2, digestion. Now let's think about some of the mistakes you can avoid making when pronouncing this word. One possible error is thinking that this word should have 4 syllables. However, remember we only need 3. Digestion. Many people are also confused about that letter G, but remember it's a J sound, not a G. And finally, don't overpronounce the vowels at the end. We spell the word with an I-O, but remember that final vowel is just a weak schwa. I hope you found that useful. If you did, then please hit like to support the channel. And if you've got any questions or requests for future videos, then please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.